Good evening, everyone, and welcome to a breaking news edition of DBS News. Now, information reaching our news team has suggested that Buju Banton's hotel room was raided by police officers who claimed that they had a search warrant. Now, the artist took to Instagram to share his concerns. Take a look.
Yo, Trinidad, what's up? I just realized something. I'm chilling in my hotel room, and the cops came to check me. A whole bunch of them, saying they got a warrant to search my room and all that kind of stuff. I'm here in Trinidad. I love for the people, chill with my band, all that. But I just want you to know, no matter what, they can't break us. We see what's going on. We just want you to know what's going on. We see what you're planning. How can you obtain a search warrant for a hotel room on a Saturday? Okay. Still got love for you, Trinidad. They can't distract us. That's why we're here. For you, not them. Peace.
Wow! Now this is quite a contrast because this was how Buju Banton was welcomed in Trinidad this weekend. Interesting, I tell you. Interesting. Okay. Hold up. What is this? Okay. So can we go ahead with it? We can go ahead with it now. Okay. So I should. What's wrong with the prompter? It's down. Okay. So I should. Okay. So in Buju's most recent Instagram post, he said, after viral posting, the Trinidadian Commissioner of Police and representative of the Jamaican Consulate paid me a visit to issue an apology on behalf of the Trinidadian Police Department. I will not let this issue affect my love for the Trinidadian people or me as I move forward to have a wonderful night tomorrow. Trini, we're still on track. Love to my Trini family. Okay, well, we can only hope that this does not deter the artist and that he will move forward and give a spectacular performance tomorrow in Trinidad as a part of his Long Walk to Freedom Caribbean tour. I am D. Berry signing out. Return to your regularly scheduled programming. Wow. Look at the hours. Look at the hours. I had to leave from Greater Portmore to come here. Look at the hours. This is at 12 o'clock. And you're going to call me. You're going to call me on my phone. I could have been in Ochi with everybody there enjoying Beach Juve. But no, I had to be in town and on these special assignments. You couldn't even pay to send me to Trinidad to cover the Long Walk to Freedom, but you're going to have me leave all the way from Portmore. All the way from Portmore to find, this is what? This is my church outfit from 10 years ago to put on. To come on, and nobody, there's no person. You know what? It is finished. It's only a matter of time. It is only a matter of time. I'm going to make my way out of here, you know. I'm not going to sit here every single day